Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove backgrounds from pictures in Photoshop or in PowerPoint, excuse me. So yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a picture that I've inserted into PowerPoint, and I'll just copy it into a empty slide just like that, so that you don't have to see any distracting elements in the background and that the picture is the only one here. But yeah, as you can see now, I have the picture in here. It is inserted. I just went to insert and into picture and selected a picture off of my computer. And now that you're in here and that you have the picture inserted, you just want to go into format under picture tools, and here you'll have all these options. And as you can see, the first option to the far left is remove background. Now this is an imperfect tool. It doesn't detect everything 100%, but if I click remove background, as you can see, it will highlight what is going to be removed, and the purple stuff or the pink stuff is going to be removed, the white stuff isn't. And if I click off, as you can see, everything else except the TH has been removed. I don't know why it didn't well, recognize all the other things, but it just for some reason acted as if that's the background. Let me insert another picture so that I can try and get another example. For example, this dog. If I go here and click remove background, as you can see, everything except the dog has been removed, and the dog is the only picture that is left. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.